Hi students, today our topic is effect of dielectric on various factors of parallel plate capacitor. Okay. Introduction of, in this one first case, introduction of dielectric without disconnecting the charging battery. Without disconnecting the, so charging battery, we are introducing the dielectric. Okay, first of all, consider air filled capacitor. Its capacitance is C naught. It is connected to the battery. Battery potential is V naught. Okay, that means same potential is developed in between the capacitor plates. In between the capacitor plates. Now, same capacitor connected to the same battery. Okay, but here introduce the dielectric. Introduce the dielectric without disconnecting battery. Without disconnecting battery. So in these two cases, which one is common? Battery is common. That means potential difference between the capacitor plates is same. Potential difference between the capacitor plates is same. So in this case, potential difference, PD means potential difference between the capacitor plates is constant. That means initial one is equal to final one. Initial one is equal to final one. See here capacitance. What's the capacitance? C naught is equal to epsilon naught A by D. Air filled capacitor. Here its dielectric constant is K. So its capacitance is equal to K epsilon naught A by D. Simply it is equal to Kc naught. That means its capacitance is increased by K times. Its capacitance is increased by K times. Next one, charge. Charge Q naught is equal to C naught V naught. Okay. Here charge Q is equal to what one? CV. C is right as Kc naught. V does not change. Kc naught V naught. So K Q naught. Understood? That means charge is increased by K times. Charge is increased by K times. Next, energy U naught is equal to half C naught V naught square. Energy is equal to here in this one half C naught V naught square. Here energy U is equal to half CV square half K C naught V naught square. That means energy is also increased by K times. Energy is also increased by K times. Understood? Next, electric field intensity between the plates. E naught is equal to V naught by D. Electric field intensity between the plates. See, E is equal to write as V by D. Potential does not change. So V naught by D. That means no change in electric field intensity in between the capacitor plates. In between the capacitor plates. Once again, same battery is maintained. That's why potential difference between the capacitor plates is constant. So V is equal to V naught. Understood? Next, its capacitance C naught equal to epsilon naught A by D. Here capacitance C is equal to K epsilon naught A by D because of due to dielectric its capacitance is increased by K times. Understood? Okay. Charge Q naught is equal to C naught V naught. Here charge is equal to CV. So that means it is increased by K times. Energy is also increased by K times. And electric field intensity does not change. Electric field intensity does not change. Now here additional charge is given by battery is here charge is increased how many times here K times. Okay, that means the charge is increased by this battery, so additional charge is given by battery is delta Q is equal to, you write as Q minus Q naught. Q means K Q naught minus Q naught. Q naught is common, K minus 1. Okay, at the same time, additional work by the battery. Additional work done. Additional work done by the battery. By the battery. See, delta W is equal to W minus W naught. W means QV. W naught means Q naught, V naught. Q, K, Q naught, V naught minus Q naught, V naught. Here Q naught, V naught is common. K minus 1. This one is the additional work done by the battery. Q naught, V naught into K minus 1. Understood? Your first case, introduction of dielectric without disconnecting the charging battery. So here increased one is capacitance, charge, energy is also increased, but electric field intensity in between the capacitor plates does not change. Okay. Additional charge is Q naught into K minus 1. Additional work done is delta W is equal to Q naught V naught into K minus 1. So next case, introduction of dielectric after disconnecting the battery. Okay. So similar. First of all, taken one air-filled capacitor connected with battery. Okay. In second case, battery is disconnected. Battery is disconnected. Same capacitor. Now introduce the dielectric. Okay, see, its dielectric constant is K. Understood? In this case, potential is changes. Potential is changes. But which one is constant? Charge is constant. In this case, which one is constant here? Charge is constant because of after removing, okay, same plates, same capacitor plates. That's why charge is constant. In this case, charge is constant. In this case, charge is constant. Okay. Now, C naught is equal to epsilon naught A by D. Okay. Air filled capacitance of a capacitor is equal to epsilon naught A by D. See here, C is equal to K epsilon naught A by D. That means K C naught. Understood? Its capacitance is increased by K times. Now, V naught is equal to Q naught by C naught. Here, V is equal to Q by C. So here charge is constant. That means Q naught is equal to Q. So Q naught by K C naught. That means V naught by K. Okay. That means potential is reduced to 1 by K times. Reduced to 1 by K times potential. Next, potential energy U naught is equal to Q naught square by 2C naught. Okay, here U is equal to Q square by 2C, Q naught square as usual 2 KC naught. That means U naught by K. Energy is decreased to 1 by K times. Energy is decreased to 1 by K times. Understood? Okay. Next, electric field intensity E naught is equal to V naught by D. Here E is equal to V by D. It will write as V naught by KD. That means electric field intensity between the capacitors plates also decrease to 1 by k times. 1 by k times. Understood? In this case, which one is constant here? Charge is constant. So capacitance increase to k times. Potential decrease to 1 by k times. Energy decrease to 1 by k times. Electric field intensity is also decreased to 1 by k times. Understood? Okay. So next case, effect of distance between the plates on various factors. Okay. In this one, first one, the distance between the plates is increased without disconnecting the battery. What about capacitance? First one, capacitance. Okay, capacitance general formula C naught is equal to epsilon naught A by D. Now here distance is increased. So inversely proportional, its capacitance is decreased. Okay, distance is increased. What about its capacitance? Decreased. Okay, its capacitance is decreased. Understood? Next one, potential. Potential V naught does not change. Why? Because of battery is not removed. Battery is not removed in the sense potential is constant. Okay, here potential is constant. Understood? Next up, what about charge? Charge Q is equal to C naught V naught. Okay, what about charge here? Here capacitance decreases, so potential is constant. That means what about Q naught? Q naught charge is also decreases. Charge is decreased. Charge is also decreased. Understood? What about energy? Energy U naught is equal to half C naught V naught square. In this case, V naught constant. Okay. What about C naught? C naught decreases. So U naught is also decreases. So energy is decreased. Energy is decreased. Understood? Next, electric field intensity. Electric field intensity between the capacitor plates. E naught is equal to V naught by D. V naught constant in this one. V naught constant. Here distance is increased. What about electric field intensity? Decrease because of inversely proportional. So electric field intensity is also decreased. In this case, which one is constant? Only potential is constant. Okay, because of battery is not disconnected. That's why potential is constant. Capacitance decreases, charge decreases, energy is also decreases, electric field intensity is also decreases. Understood? Okay. Next, the distance between the plates is increased after disconnecting the battery. Okay. Now, in this case, capacitance, you know formula, C naught is equal to epsilon naught A by D. Now here distance is increased. What about its capacitance? Decreased. Capacitance is decreased. Okay. Now what about charge? In this case, charge is constant. Why? Because of same capacitor plates. Okay. Charge is constant. What about potential? Potential V is equal to Q by C, or V naught equal to Q naught C naught. In this case, Q naught is constant. Charge is constant. What about C naught? C naught decreases, inversely proportional. That's why V naught is increase. Here potential difference between the capacitor plates is increases. Potential difference between the capacitor plates is increases. Next, energy stored in a capacitor, U naught is equal to Q naught square by 2C naught. Here Q naught is constant. Okay. Now C naught decreases. What about energy? Increases. Okay. Energy is increases. Okay. Energy is also increases. Next, electric field intensity between the capacitor plates. Electric field intensity between the capacitor plates. Electric field intensity between the capacitor plates E is equal to or E naught equal to sigma naught by epsilon naught charge Q naught by A epsilon naught. See, a charge constant, area constant, medium is constant. So electric field is also constant. Electric field is also constant. Here mainly without disconnecting the battery, potential is constant. After disconnecting the battery, charge is constant. Okay. After disconnecting the battery, what about capacitance? Decrease. What about charge? Constant. Potential increases. Energy increases. Electric field intensity constant. Electric field intensity is constant. Understood? Okay.